Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mashvisor for cash flow property research easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Mashvisor website. On the homepage, locate the sign up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and enter it in the password field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided space. Review the terms of service and privacy policy linked on the page. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will verify your account and log you into Mashvisor. Explore the main dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Use the search bar to begin researching cash flow properties in your desired location. Filter the results based on your investment criteria, such as price and property type. Save properties of interest by clicking on the heart icon or Save button. Utilize the analytical tools to assess cash flow potential and return on investment. That's how you register with Mashvisor for cash flow property research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.